レイバー、それは作業用に開発されたロボットの総称である。建設土木の分野に広く普及したが、レイバーによる犯罪も急増。警視庁は特化車両2課パトロールレイバー中隊を新設してこれに対抗した。通称パトレイバーの誕生である。
E for level, Alt 3 to convert it to polygons, and B for another level. A is less, and B is more. So A, B. Drag it back, so it sticks. Let's just say I want a 1mm edge to catch some highlights. Hey guys, today we're gonna make a new robot called a Tribot, and it's a pretty simple robot. It's got 3 legs and a little head part. It's kind of inspired by the Tachikomas from Ghost in the Shell and those kind of Japanese flavor robots. So here's just a couple renderings from that this model that I did and a little animation. But overall the shapes are pretty basic, so this should still be a good exercise for getting warmed up to Modo's tools. So before we get started with anything, I want to go through some prerequisites for this tutorial. Before you do this, you should look at the intro to Modo on my Gumroad page, gumroad.com/vling. And that's free, and it has a lot of scripts and hotkeys that we're going to be using in this tutorial, which are required. You cannot do some of these functions without those scripts, so you gotta go and get that first and install those scripts. So after you've done that, I would also recommend checking out the NES controller tutorial or the Braun desk fan tutorial, because those are super duper basic. Just to get you into it. This one is still kind of basic, but a little bit more advanced. So if you want to start from scratch, maybe one of those other ones is better. Anyways, so aside from that, let's jump into it.